Hey guys, Mr.III here with part 2 of Let's Make Some Money. And of course, we're using M1 Finance. And sorry about the little delay. I know our last video ended off over here on April 29th when we made $336.41. Originally, I actually did shoot 3 videos. One on Friday, the other 2 on Saturday. Well, actually, I could say 4. I even just redid one right now a few seconds ago. But I was going to show you guys how I did over the weekend because, you know, stocks don't trade on the weekends. And we finished off at 317, which is down but up from, you know, that little dip over here from 303. But as you can see, today's values, you know, stock market is in trade and is fluctuating. And I don't really know how to show how my stocks looked on that day now, because I had everything written out for that, and I'm just like, oh, great. I just have to wham it or whatever. But yeah, so delay was, I had some technology issues. Got a new laptop, put software and stuff. OBS had some black screen thing, which then I had to figure out how to get that to work. And then I had mic issues, which is why I'm wearing a headset. And I tell you, like, I recorded and the thing was just so quiet, and I could not even amp it. And when I went in the editor and boosted the thing all the way up, it just sounded horrible. I didn't want to hurt you guys' ears. Also, I want to thank some people for commenting on the other video. Let's see if I can even just move that over here, right over there. So yeah, gotta say first, I'm gonna reply to you guys today here. Been a little slacking as well, but yeah, Alan Thomas, thanks for writing here. Thinks I'm doing good, you know, which I would be happy if I still had my 12%. But yeah, I checked out his channel and gotta give him a shout out. He's a vlogger and he's a funny guy. Yeah, gotta go see if you guys like, you know, funny challenges and stuff and traveling, he's your man. And then also USA Share Market Investment, just clicked on theirs. They have of course about stocks and stuff, but it's more of a what do you call, like the voice to text type of robot speaking thing. So they'll look into their channel a little more as well here. But yeah, thanks to Alan Thomas and USA Share Market Investment. Alright, so let's go back to M1 Finance, open up that. And right now, as you can see, we're sitting at $312.59. And let's see, opening up, see how our pie is doing. Oh, and also, I'm still looking for that one person for that referral and earn thing here. As you can see, I'm not lying. I just want one person there. If not, many would be good. But yeah, it's free money if you're starting $10. And this one, I would get finally the $10, which I didn't. I should have thought of opening before I did this whole thing. Back to our stocks and looking at our pie. And as you know, yeah, as I just said, everything was changing. Literally, when I just did the first shoot of this morning, my energy transfer was actually negative $1.20, and now it's up 633, which is weird. And hold on, let me hit there, because I'm like, why do I have some negatives there? But yeah, the improvement stores are doing good, it looks like. Let's go see. So yeah, this is right now my ups, but of course it's not really the best thing to show. And then the downs. So yeah, our mall is gonna be down, airlines gonna be down. The cruise lines were just down here a second ago, which I don't see. Where'd the other one go? Yeah, Royal Caribbean was like almost dead bottom down there. Southwest is holding that position pretty well. But yeah, I don't know how Carnival Cruise is right now up, but also doing some research. Let me know too, what do you guys use for research that has the least ads, to be honest, because going through this and stuff, you know, you just get ads everywhere. And speaking about airlines and stuff, you know, if you guys were hiding under a rock and didn't hear anything about Warren Buffett, you know, when he pulled out all his stocks in the airlines, because, well, the way how I took it, or from watching other YouTubers and doing research, he looks at airlines as one big business, not as individual airlines. And he was losing money because he was investing about like 7 to 8 billion, and it was only making a return of 1 billion a year. Which, hey, if I made $1 billion, I'd be fine. But as you know, everything's going down, and he lost the money. Second, it's gonna be barely to any growth. That's my opinion. But looking at things, you know, yes, he's in the news everywhere, so his shenanigans is controlling us. Yeah, but let's see. But yeah, sold everything there. But also a big thing that's going to affect our travel for both airlines and the what is it called? Ocean liners, but cruise lines. There we go. The travel ban, you know, and stuff. So, you know, well, not banned, but you know, things that they're saying. Muchen over here says we may not be able to fly until 2021, and that was stated on May 4th. And of course, today is May 11th, so yes, old news. And then, yeah, who really knows what's going on, you know? The big guy with all the money doesn't know what to expect. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm just using, I don't know if these are reliable sources, which if I was writing a paper, I would not use a .com source. But yeah, I'm looking for something free. And then talking about our SPG stock. Where is it? Yeah, right here, the big mall one. You know, they're going to be taking hits and stuff. Or any mall that has Nordstrom, since they just closed about 16 of their stores. So they're going to be taking probably like the Sears route. Except Sears, you know, yes, it did close, but they also had other things. I think Nordstrom is only closed. I know there's a Nordstrom and a Nordstrom rack here in Ohio, but who knows, you know, the best for them. But if I was being a little risky, but if you're going to start something, you know, I'm not saying do it, but yeah, any risk or any investments you guys is, you know, on your own head, not on mine, hopefully. So that's that, you know, I guess everyone's liability speech here, but I would probably stay away from airlines and cruise lines. Plus anything with malls. The mall industry is going to have a slow rise. And as we see, there's really no correlation with the stock market and the economy right now, since, you know, tons of people have no jobs and somehow it's doing pretty well, or it's keeping afloat. All right, so back to this, you know. Yes, okay, it's 10 o'clock, so that means trading is in progress, which I hope to see a little more positive since we just already dropped down to 311. But looking at things, I would say my strongest stock right now is the Energy Transfer. It's always been positive, $7 to $8, close to that. And then Apple, I know they say is pretty strong, but it's slow with rising. Here's my mid stuff, and then the stuff that you probably want to stay away from. Airlines, this mall, another airline there. We're making airplanes. But yeah, that's the weekly cap. This time for sure I'll be seeing you guys on Saturday. Like I try to do the recording on Friday and upload it on Saturday. But this week did not really work out for me. So yeah, thanks again for staying tuned for episode 2 there. And yeah, I'm looking for advice and showing you guys what's working for me. And if you want to take that, go ahead, your own risk, and let's make some money. All right, and if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.